Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math Grade 2, Quarter 1, Lesson 3, Day 4. Our topic for today is about recognize and represent 500 to 1,000 using concrete and pictorial models. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. Count up to 1,000. Recognize and represent 500 to 1,000 using concrete and pictorial models, and read and write numerals 501 up to 1,000. Here's the chart for 301 up to 400. And here's the chart for 401 up to 500. You will be grouped into 5 to complete the charts. Group 1, 491 up to 600. Group 2, 591 to 700. Group 3, 691 to 800. Group 4, 791 to 900. Group 5, 891 to 1,000. Answer the following questions. How were you able to determine the numbers that would complete the chart? Answer, we followed the pattern that we observed before. Guided by the numbers on the first row, we continued counting until the last number on the chart. (491 to 600). (591 to 700). (691 to 800). (791 to 900). (891 to 1,000). Here are some possible observations. First, there are 100 numbers listed on each chart. Number 2, Except for 1000, all the numbers in the chart are 3-digit numbers. Number 3, the chart shows different sets of numbers from 501 until 1000, 501 to 600, 601 to 700, 701 to 800, 801 to 900, and 901 to 1000. Number 4, the number that represents the hundreds differs in each chart. To summarize the lesson, ask learners the following. What numbers did we talk about today? Answer, we talked about the numbers 501 to 1000. How did you determine the numbers 501 to 1000? Answer, we determined the numbers 501 to 1000 by following the same pattern when counting from 1 to 500. Assessment number 4. Write the missing numbers. Number 1, the answer is 556. Number 2, 604. Number 3, 743. Number 4, 879. Number 5, 1000. Practice counting from 501 up to 1000 at home.
And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.